I ordered a sheet of gasket material from Amazon. It's high temp silicone. Is it appropriate for this application? Who knows? This is the sheet. It's got like film. I'm assuming you peel this back when you're done making your gasket. Fairly flexible, fairly thin, about the same thickness as the prior material. I'm sure it's fine. Need to figure out a way to cut a template. I was able to save enough of the gasket to help me with my template. Like, this is the critical part right here, this little triangle, so that's good. I had just enough air in my 60-gallon tank to get the rest of the gasket material off, so that's clean now. A silver Sharpie, and we will mark around the outside here. See, that's perfect. I've never done this before, and that's perfect. This material is pretty durable, so it's a little bit hard to cut through. I might have cut that too much because my hole's there and I didn't leave enough edge material right there. So that's the price of being impatient. I only have one shot at this because once I hit it, I won't be able to get it back up. I won't be able to put it back perfectly where it was on the first try. So let's hope we can do this. Kind of worked, not great. Yeah, so I was able to sort of hand trace the mark that I made with the Sharpie, and it appears to be a better fit. So I'm going to peel these layers of, I don't know what, if it's a sticky material, I don't know. All right, so here goes nothing. It's going loud. Didn't work out. Couldn't hold it. It blew out. Yep. It blew out right here. So I'm a bit at a loss of what to do. We're gonna try something different. We're gonna use the right stuff. Literally the right stuff. It's a gasket maker. It's good for intakes and stuff. I don't know how well it's gonna work for this application, but we will find out. I've got the head back on. I can see that the right stuff is squeezed out along the edge of the sealing surface up here. So I didn't give it all the torque. I gave it a lot of the torque, and then I'm going to come back in about 4 hours, say, and then finish putting the torque down on it. Try to get a really good seal. The stuff's rated to 450 Fahrenheit, which I don't think this head gets hotter than that. So if it can handle the pressure, it might be good. I'm also going to turn down the pressure on the compressor because I don't really need it to go up to 165 PSI. I think like 150 is fine for my purposes. So I think between those two things, hopefully that'll hold. And if not, I'm at a loss. All right, here goes nothing. I tightened it down after letting it cure. Hey, the right stuff held for one cycle. Well, the right stuff is holding for now, so we'll see how it does over time. If it blows out, I'll be sure to either put it in the comments or just do a quick little short update. Thanks for watching. See you next time.